Hello, welcome. So I was just thinking recently about human survival, how it would have been for humans if we were alone in the world. Like we all know that basically human survival is central upon plants because we have a variety of foods and plants also play a whole lot of other roles in terms of many of the products that they give to us and the food that they provide us. But then, besides plants, other organisms, they assist and aid our survival on Earth. I mean, without these organisms, it would have been tragic for human survival on Earth. And I want to quickly bring to your notice that fungi, they are very important organisms. Just recently, we celebrated the World Fungi Day, October 2nd. And not so many people realized that we were celebrating such fascinating organisms. Fungi, they are very fascinating organisms. From the smallest of organisms to the largest of organisms. For your information, the largest organism on Earth is a fungus. Not the blue whale, not an animal, not any plant. As we used to know, the largest organism is a fungus. And so we need to pay great attention to these organisms. Also think about this, that fungi, they are central to our survival. My dear, it would have been tragic if fungi were not part of living organisms on Earth, because humans and every other living organism would have been suffocated. Think about the forest around us. We produce a whole lot of wastes every day. Now, those wastes physically would have built up to the average height of a man, and a man cannot move in the presence of such waste. They can't do any other thing, and then we need oxygen to breathe. These wastes would have suffocated us to death. Let me quickly enlighten you about these fascinating organisms, how they carry out their activities. Fungi, in their habits, they are made up of thread-like filaments known as hyphae. And these hyphae, when they aggregate together, they form mycelium. Now, this mycelium, just like every plant cell and stuff, that is the vegetative body of the fungus. Now, on their cell wall is made up of chitin. I'm sure you were taught in your elementary school about where chitin can be found. Chitin makes up the exoskeleton of insects, like the crabs, the prawns, and the likes of them. So, fungi, they tend towards animals than plants, but they are not plants. Now, within their hyphae are extracellular enzymes that aid in breaking down complex organic matters. Complex organic matter. What does that tell you? That organic matters that we cannot break down, our bodies cannot break down, fungi can actually degrade them. So we owe these organisms a kind of celebration, because what we cannot do, other organisms are actually assisting us with them. These organisms, they are also capable of reproduction. They reproduce asexually and sexually. There are about 5 divisions of fungi: the Chytridiomycota, the Zygomycota, the Ascomycota, the Basidiomycota, and Deuteromycota. It is only the division Deuteromycota, organisms found there, that are unable to actually reproduce sexually. In all the other class of fungi, they can reproduce sexually. That is why the Deuteromycota, they are called fungi imperfecti. Now, without wasting much of your time, I just want to tell you some of the products that fungi are able to provide us medicinally, as food, in industry, and the likes. Medicinally, can you remember penicillin, which is the famous antibiotic used against many bacterial infections? Have you heard of statins, which aid in lowering cholesterol for humans? Have you heard of cyclosporine, which is an immunosuppressant? In the food industry, you all know mushrooms, that many mushrooms are edible. You all know what the role yeast plays for us in the industry, aiding in baking, brewing, and wine making. Have you heard of the soy sauce, tempeh, and piso? These are locally made food, whereby fungi play roles in fermentation. Fungi enzymes are deployed in production of detergents and textiles. A lot of organic acids are also produced by many fungi. Aspergillus is deploying the production of citric acid. Biofuels, many fungi, they can produce biofuels for industry. Now, in micro-remediation, fungi are deployed in the cleanup of oil-polluted soil. Fungal pigments are also there. So please, I will leave you with this piece. When next you see fungi growing on your food or anywhere, please don't discard them. Embrace them. What did I say? Embrace them. Do not say these organisms are tragic and that they are found where they are not supposed to be growing. As a matter of fact, when you see them, it is a sign that you are not alone. Since God will not leave you, fungi will not leave you. Thank you very much. Please, if you are just joining us, please like, follow, and comment. Thank you very much.